One of the health benefits of turmeric is to boost our immune system, and that is very important for our health nowadays, especially that we are still in pandemic. We also have here calamansi, which is rich in vitamin C. Actually, you can also have calamansi juice, and that is very good to drink, especially when you have cough or colds. I want to add a little sweetness to my tea, so I choose to have honey as my sweetener. But if you don't have it, brown sugar will do. Okay, let's start making our tea. But first, we're going to peel off the skin. Okay, as you can see, the color is orange or yellow-orange. We're done, so it's time to slice into small pieces. Okay, in the boiling water, put the turmeric and leave it for about 5 to 8 minutes. By the way, guys, I put here around 4 cups of water, and as you can see, the color has changed. It turns orange. Alright, we have here calamansi. So let's add them to our turmeric. Squeeze. Alright. Okay, 2 slices would be enough for 1 cup. And that is already very rich in vitamin C. Okay, and for our sweetener, we have here honey. Okay, so add some honey, but not too much. Okay, we don't want our tea to be very sweet. Okay, add a little bit more. There you go. Alright. Okay, there you have it. Your turmeric tea is ready. Smells good. Okay guys, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Enjoy your turmeric tea and see you next time. Bye.